Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki and today we'll be talking about the last minute tips and tricks for MCQ based exams, especially the NEET and JEE. Don't skip this video and watch it till the end, and I assure you that you will increase your marks drastically with these tips. I won't be wasting your time in talking about the most obvious tips like reaching the exam hall on time, which you'll find over the internet. But what I will be talking about in this video are some important tips and tricks that will surely give a boost in your marks as well as your performance. Now I've already made an in-depth video about the intelligent guess method and how you can correctly guess MCQs in an examination. If you haven't watched that video out, then I would recommend you all to first watch that video and then check this video out. Now let's get into the tips and tricks. The first tip is do not eat heavy foodstuffs just before your examination. This will make you feel sleepy and you might not be able to function to the best of your abilities. I've also seen many people making the mistake of drinking some caffeinated drinks just before the exam starts in order to boost their concentration levels. I won't deny the fact that these drinks like Red Bull do increase your attention span, but it lasts only for 1 hour after drinking it. After this 1 hour of increased concentration, you will face the sugar crash. Sugar crash basically means that your energy levels of your body drop significantly. You won't be able to concentrate properly, nor will you be able to solve your paper efficiently. During a sugar crash, your decision making ability also drops significantly, due to which you won't be able to solve any further questions. Let's take NEET for example. Your exam duration for NEET is of 3 hours, that is from 2 to 5 pm. So let's say you drink a can of Red Bull or any other caffeinated drink half an hour before the exam starts, that is at around 1:30. It will take around 10 minutes for its effects to kick in, and by that time it will be 1:40. Remember, the exam does not start before 2 pm, so you are already at a high concentration state 20 minutes before the exam starts. And this will wear off in about an hour, that is at around 2:40 pm. At 2:40, your sugar crash will begin, and for the rest of the exam duration, you will be in a low concentration state and won't be able to solve any further questions properly. So remember to only have some light foodstuffs before the exam starts. Now the NEET examination consists of biology, physics and chemistry. Biology has the highest percentage of marks allotted to it. So let's first talk about biology. Make sure that your biology subject is quite strong. There are numerous instances of my friends who were weak in physics and chemistry but had biology as their strong point, and that's why they managed to bag a very good ranking in NEET. In biology, 65 to 70 questions out of the 90 questions are asked from the NCERT alone. So make sure that in these last moments, you revise NCERT thoroughly and print it in your minds. Now I know many of you would have created a separate cheat sheet for biology in which all the important exceptions and examples would be mentioned. If so, then do mention them in the comment section below and help out your fellow students. But if you don't currently have one, then don't even waste a single second making one for yourself. Another tip that I have for y'all is to solve past year's papers properly. Also, for the last 7 days before your exam, make sure to solve these papers in an exam-like condition. What I mean by this is to solve these papers only during the exam timings. That is, for NEET, it will be 2 to 5 pm. This is because you get accustomed to these timings and your productivity and attention span increases during this time period. Also, remember to wear a mask while giving this exam at home. I know this may sound silly, but trust me, it will help you in getting habitual with the exam settings. Also, during the last days of your examination, sleep is your best friend. Please do not disturb your sleep cycle at least for the last 7 days. I've seen many cases of students who have studied so well for their JEE and NEET but did not sleep well in the last days of their examination and couldn't even solve the basic questions and went blank during the exam. So please pay attention to your sleeping cycle. Apart from this, do not commit the mistake of learning some new concepts at this last moment. Revise what you've learned and that's it. Practice the things that you've already done rather than learning something which is totally new. Trust me, anything new that you learn at the last moment won't help you during the exam. It's only the things that you've practiced over and over again which will help you in getting amazing marks. So that's it for the video and all the best guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It really helps me grow a lot. Also, if you're a millennial or someone who likes self-help channels or self-growth channels, then do check out my channel as it has a lot of videos about that topic.